Okay, I've got an SZ Mark II territory, and when I lock the door, so I'll press lock, all the doors lock except for this one here, which unlocks. So once I open it, the other doors become unlocked too. So I've done a bit of research, and it's the actuator that's likely to be the problem. And by research I mean on the Facebook territory group and on YouTube. So I'm going to have a go at taking this door apart with what I've read, and because I haven't seen a video which deals with this model, or I just can't find it. So from what I've seen, I think there's 4 screws down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing comes off. Okay, looks like there's 1, 2. Oh, there's another one in there, looks like. And if there's more, I'll tell you where they are, but I'll just do those. Oh, hang on, I think there's one over here, one more here. That looks like a special screw as well. So now I'm just going to take one of them off to show you what it's like. I just put this in this flathead and work it out, and we can have a look in there what sort of screw it is. I'm not really sure. It looks like maybe a star screw. I'll check out what it is. So I've just checked and it looks like it's a T25 screw head. See that? And I'm just going to start with this one. But then I'm going to do all 4 of these. The one up here, and these are probably all T20, also T25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then one up here, 8 on the side. If it's not a T25, I'll let you know. This is also a T25 screw. Hopefully it comes out easily. Oh, not quite out yet. Yeah, this is my son having a go get that screw out. It's loose. Coming out?
No.
Okay, we might get a little magnetic screwdriver.
You have those?
Yeah. Okay, we're just going to pull them out with a magnetic screwdriver. We're actually using a flathead, but it's just to pull them out.
Boop. Boop.
There you go. One. And get the other one.
Boop.
That's not the screwdriver making that noise. It's actually my son. Thanks. Good boy. So I've taken these 2 out, 4 at the bottom. Now I'm just going to do this one. They're all T25, by the way. So just unscrew that. And one on the side here. Come here. And I think that's it, but we'll find out very soon. Okay, I think we'll just try to take this out. Oh, it comes out easily, but it's attached at the back. Look at that cable.
What cable?
So I think we might just get the screwdriver to pop this thing out. Have a look, guys. How does that come out?
It's spongy.
Oh, hang on, just
pop.
Like that. Okay, so just remember how that goes in there.
Oh, we should probably keep that staying out so you know, like.
It's going to go back in like that. This thing.
Oh, can I take that one out? Can I just...
No.
Oh.
I don't know how easy it is, Lucas.
Is that supposed to come out?
Yeah.
Whoa, I didn't really... It looks like you're kind of breaking the car. It sounds like that too.
Okay.
Should we be doing this?
Just this little brown thing holding it in.
Oh,
If I push it in, then it should slide out. There you go.
Then definitely do not drop that back down there.
Just like that. And
Oh, can I play with that?
No.
Thank you.
okay. Okay, so we just took this and this off. Let's try. Oh, it's already a bit loose. It's loose. I don't know if anything else is holding it in.
You're moving the car.
Oh, there you go.
But also,
It
how?
is off.
Oh, that looks so weird. Looks
There's
like
one
something-
cable here.
Did that break?
This was there.
Was.
So just remember that. And there's this cable here, which is taped in, which will just untape here. You getting this, Licky? Or should we just unconnect it from here somewhere? That makes more sense, actually. Yeah, there you go. So that's going to have to go in there. Let me put it back together. Okay, it's the door card off.
Now the complicated stuff that I know I have no idea how to do.
Cut. So this is not even connected, just comes off. And we kind of just have to get, I don't know if you need to take it all off or just sort of just comes off easily. It's not really anything holding it. And that takes us to here. And we have to take off these 3 screws around here. So there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 to release the locking mechanism that's in there. But there's also, I think, a couple of wires that we have to undo. And I have a feeling it's that one. And maybe this also has to come out, this one here. So I've just taken this rod out from here, just pushed it out by squeezing that little black thing in as well. Required a little bit of force, and I'm not sure what else I've got to take. I think I'll loosen the bolts, the screws first. So I've just, you got it? So I've just released it from there, and that rod seemed to be the only one holding it in, but this is sort of pushing against it. I'm gonna just undo it, push it out from here, and see if that releases somehow. Okay, let's see where it goes. Like that. And then there's something at the bottom. I've got to work out how to separate this now. So this is the part we got from Ford. Just give you the model reference. It's almost $200 to buy this. Okay, everyone's got their own way of opening boxes. Okay, and here is the part. Take it out with you.
Oh, it's slimy.
Oh, it is a bit slimy, yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, it's a whole assembly.
Look at this.
So this is the part that we got, and that's how it's oriented. I noticed this is missing the little connecting thing here, so we'll take this off the old one, but otherwise it looks the same. And I noticed also this is where we've got to plug it in. We've got to, you come a bit closer please, Lucas. We've got to take this out, which is connected to this wire, and see that little white plug's obviously got to go through there like that. So we'll take that out. Probably need to get some ply. Oh, no, I can do it by hand. Popping out. No, probably. Oh, there you go, just by hand. Okay, there you go. Let's see how this unplugs there. Oh, there's a little button there. It's got to be that. Maybe, have you got the screwdriver there? Oh, got it. There you go. Just have to pull a bit harder. Okay, and that's the piece out. Now I've just got to put it back in the way I took it out. But I'll take this little piece off. now we're going to put it all back together again, starting with this. And then that goes in there. And then that's where it bolts to the outside, so it's like that.
There's still a slime thing on it.
And this is the door thing, it latches in there. And that goes there. I think that was it, Lucas. Now we just got to put this back in here. And maybe put this in first before we screw screw it to the outside. Got it in. Okay, I think that's in. Let's put the 3 screws in. And these 3. Are you recording now, Vicky?
Yeah,
Hang on.
still recording.
Now we just put the 3 screws in. One. 2. 3. And Zachary, do you want to screw it in?
Yeah.
You go.
Yep.
Make sure you go clockwise, please.
Twice.
Okay.
Probably a bit loose.
Okay, thank you. Zachary, can you put this back in? Good. And that's like that. Okay, next.
Maybe you can't do it like that because
Lucas, cut it. Okay, let's get going.
Yeah, I'm recording.
So let's put this little white thing back in.
No funny, Phoebe.
Daddy, did you just take it into not together because
Okay.
so you can
That
make
does
the
not-
video?
Okay, let's put
So
this
you
back.
can make the video, Daddy. Did you just do this so you could make the video?
Yeah.
So it did. So you didn't have to fix anything.
No, I had to fix something.
So is that why we made the video?
Yeah. So this comes up through here.
But right now we have to put that on. After this, we put this on.
switch on.
No, that's the switch and you go on that. There. A bit of the. I don't know where it is.
Can I bang it?
Daddy, is this going to be our video? Daddy, is this going to be our video? Oh, Zachary, let's make a stop motion video.
Yeah, but we're gonna do the Among Us one next.
Daddy, is this going to be our? It's ours.
Okay. Then you.
No.
No,
it's
Zachary, you're pushing it in. You're pushing it in even more.
Zachary, move out of the way.
Now give it to me, Zachary. Okay, I'll help. Okay, Zachary, I'll support it there. So just go in, then you pop it in.
You sure you got the right way, Lucky?
Wait, just wait. Yes, I'm sure. I'm 100% sure.
And then,
Good.
think-
It's clicked in. You got it.
Oh,
and then.
yeah, that's the right way.
Push it in. Yeah. Very good.
And now.
Get the door handle.
Zachary, stop putting your head in the way. No, I'll put. Oh, but I want to.
Oh,
Can I put it in?
just pop it in. try just doing it in an angle.
What, this thing there, Daddy? I think we should take this line
How do
off.
we connect this back on?
There was a screw in the middle.
Oh, that's right.
Nobody put their head in the
Yeah.
way.
Oh, it's not really like right.
Okay, now let's put the
There
screws
was
in.
only like hair from
I'm
this.
just gonna screw them all back in. There, no, that was.
No, Zachary.
No, not yet, Zaki. There's one
That's
more
upside.
down there. They need to pop it back on. You pop it. No, not like that. Yeah, pop
Put this
it.
in first, Zachary, like that. Put that in first. Yep, good. Push it in and sort of give it a bit of a tap.
You're kind of blocking the camera. And
Oh.
let's go.
Oh, yeah, you got to do the ones at the bottom.
Yeah, these ones.
Yep. So we got 4 to go at the bottom, guys. So we've just screwed this one in.
Is this how you wear
Just
them?
screwing this one in.
Is this how you wear them?
We've already put these 2 in and
Is
put the
this how
cap
you
back
wear
on.
them? Yeah, I don't want to.
Done this little one on the side up here at the top, which just leaves the 4 at the bottom to do. And these are the 4
Okay.
caps. And of course there was one cap
Ah,
up
you're not
here for
big
this
enough
one
to
as
sit
well,
in
which was
one.
this one
You're not
here.
big enough to sit in that right yet.
It's a different style of cap.
It's
So can
bigger
you just push that in?
and
Smooth
doesn't have it, that really doesn't have the edges around the side.
Just push it in. It's in. Good.
It's pretty easy.
Okay, let's do the 4 down the bottom now, and hopefully everything works.
But how you go back and you bang your head like it.
Okay, I can't reach because you're in the way.
Oh, I'll do it then.
I'll video you do it. That's the last one. The other ones are going in.
Really tight.
Oh, Daddy hid money in his car.
Okay, and put the top on.
Ooh, money. Oh, can't get it out.
Okay, we're done. Let's see if it works. Okay, we're about to test it. Lock it.
Yay, it works.
Unlock.
Yay.
We did it!
Yes.
Thumbs up.
Hi, guys.
Do your thumbs up, Lucy.
Big sister. Excellent.
We did it.